What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. Got a just a quick what if video today. We're working on I was kind of working on cleaning up the shop and cleaning up after my last couple builds, and tidying up and getting ready, and digging through these. I'd posted a video if I'd got these on Facebook Marketplace. I'll put a link down in the description of where and how I scored them. Both really cheap. Both they're definitely rebuilders and missing parts, and so kind of toying with the idea of using these from the Revell big game country truck thing. Got a nice big lift on it. I've done it before where I've used those and grafted it onto a kit, and it was relatively easy. I've got two of those kits, and I plan to chop one or both and make it into a crew cab, which gives me a entirely leftover suspension setup, which I may or may not even use on that build. I may actually slam it, tub it, and put the big slicks on it. You never know. Every build with me starts with the what if, what fits, what looks good, tires and wheels, color. What's on the box doesn't matter to me at all. I've never been concerned with box stock or any of that. So again, trying to keep this short, just a quick what if. So we've got this 58 Impala, and as I was digging through it, I was thinking, oh yeah, it'd be pretty bitchin' to make a four-wheel drive big lifted beast. Somebody had already chopped the top off. It did an okay job, and there is a windshield that I could put in there to, it wouldn't look too bad. But as I was looking, oh my goodness, there's no chassis. So that's kind of an issue. It would be not too difficult to fake it. It'd be a curbside shelf kit. Basically, I would take these posts and just extend them into the bottom, wherever. It doesn't matter what it looks like underneath. Same with the front, just kind of extend a piece of sprue or a round stock down so that I just glue it wherever so it's centered. But I don't know. It seems kind of a waste for these, because these sometimes squirrel. Oops, looks like I broke this already from handling it too much. Sometimes these will bolt right up to a kit. I've had it happen in the past where they fit in so perfectly, it's like it was meant to be kit bashed. So, possible, what if. It would be pretty bitchin'. Put big giant oversized wheels on it. Monster Impala, or kind of rat rod-ish like that last. I'll put a link in the description of the Crown Victoria that I built, that I made it kit bash that with a semi parts leftovers. So we'll see. Maybe I'm kind of not liking the idea of using those up for that. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you think, because I can again link in the description, or I'll just put a picture up here. The what I call the coked out Ford. I made all this suspension myself. I mean, it's not pretty, but once it's sitting on the shelf, it looks fine. Figured it might be the same deal with this car. So let's look at the 57 step side. Also a rebuilder. This one actually wasn't missing too many, if any, parts. Seemed like it was actually complete-ish. Again, not too worried. I can do it. I can fix it. So with this one, same thing. The post, here, just get rid of that altogether. Don't exactly line up to the frame, but it wouldn't be hard to, here, visual aids, just put an extension across there. Just run a flat piece for somewhere for those to land. Same on the back. Once the bed goes in, come on, line up, put the square peg in the round hole. That same thing, it doesn't line up perfectly. Geez, come on. Fumbly fidgety. wouldn't be too hard to fake it, you know. Fake it till you make it, and put. Oh yes, I mean, come on, yeah, that's pretty sick. So I don't know. We'll see. You know, again, I just feel like I don't want to use these up on these garbage builds. I'd rather use them on. I'm not sure where I want to use them. I've had them for quite some time, so maybe it's time. I don't know. Again, you know, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. What you think would look best. These big giant semi tires, semi truck. Get my fingers out of the way. These Hot Wheels directional mudders. This. Ooh, I mean, that would be so easy to do, and it would look pretty sick. But, you know, whatever. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. We'll read the comments and evaluate them and get an idea what we're going to do. But next, I'm going to film a unboxing of this kit. So that'll be on the channel, if not immediately after this one gets posted. I'm going to film it right now as soon as I walk away from this. Got some time. I'm kind of waiting for something else to occur, so I figured I'd do a little video. This, not a new kit, definitely a repop, round 2 reissue, you know. Again, they took an old kit, slapped some Coca-Cola stickers in there, decals in there, and a machine, Coke machine, and some Coke bottles, which, you know, the Coke bottles, if you've seen on a couple of my other builds, are actually pretty cool. Those are pretty neat. So there's a set of those in there, and the machine. I've also built one of those. It comes out pretty nice. It's kind of a newer one. It's not the vintage style as the one that comes in the Cameo truck, and I think there's another kit that has that. But I don't know. We'll see. Kind of thinking this one. I can't resist myself. I probably want to do. If I don't do this with it, which would be pretty sick. That's kind of where I'm going. So I'm going to open it up and see how well these fit. If these fit under there nicely, that's what I'm doing. But if I don't, free 10mm sockets. I mean, I don't want to do the other obvious. I don't even want to say it on here because it's offensive and kind of creepy. But, you know, you see people that write on those free things there to attract a certain. It's kind of gross. But free 10mm sockets, that's kind of funny. So that's probably going to happen with this. Beat it up and put some, I mean, literally hand draw it so it looks like it was painted with a 4-inch block. And so I'm rambling. I'm going to go ahead and crack this open. And thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.